Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to episode number 40 of Etsy shop reviews. Today we've got a really cool looking shop. I haven't taken a long hard look at it or anything like that. I just briefly kind of looked at the main banner image and the first few products, and it looks like it's going to be interesting. All right. It looks like it is a themed niche shop, and it looks like it's got some pretty quality designs. So I can't wait to see what it has in store for us, and hopefully we can provide some valuable feedback in ways that they might be able to improve their presence on Etsy. So why don't we get started? Quick reminder, take advantage of the free weekly print on demand giveaway. 2 winners are going to be randomly selected and announced tomorrow during top 5 niches of the week. And it again is completely free, so make sure you use the link at the top of the description to enter. Also, I've got a free print on demand mini course in the description. All I need is your email and I'll send you 1 lesson a day for 8 days. And I've got a great print on demand Facebook group. If you would like to join, I would love to have you there. All right, let's jump on over to Etsy. All right, we are here at Moonphase Design on Etsy. First and foremost, check out their banner. That is really cool. So look at this banner for an Etsy shop. It's just very professional. It's got the like watercolor design on it, but it looks like it's digital. So I don't know how the heck you were able to make such a, it looks like you would have scanned in a real life watercolor, yet you've got it on your digital design. That's really, I think it's super cool. The way you use contrast as well, like in the bottom left corner, ask me about personalization in white text against the purple background. You've got pictures of your designs with like tape. Everything seems themed, and free shipping. Kind of behind my head, it says free shipping when you spend $35 US only, which by the way, why not put that in the banner, right? Of course, that's brilliant. Because Etsy pretty much makes everybody do they don't make you, but I mean, they really strongly incentivize you to do the free shipping guarantee. So I'm really loving what I'm seeing already, and we haven't even gotten to the actual shop. All right, so Moonphase Design, no matter what phase you're in, you are still whole. So nice little slogan there. They got the shop avatar there, the seller avatar, Bree. The welcome message, what did it say? Welcome to Moonphase Design, a shop where you can find unique quality shirts, mugs, bags, shoes, and more. Almost everything can be personalized. Send me a message and we can get that going. So, I mean, this whole shop right away, like, we're 40 episodes deep into Etsy shop reviews. We haven't even looked at the products yet. We just need to take a second and appreciate, like, how well Bree has done with the branding of this shop, because it feels authentic and official and premium. I don't know. Like, it just feels like a great Etsy shop, like somebody who, I mean, if you didn't know, like if I blanked out the number of sales that she had and I said guess, you'd probably guess a couple thousand sales, right? So hopefully it's just a matter of time until Bree gets, you know, to that point, thousands of sales. Because yeah, I mean, so far from what we can see, this is a really nice touch on the Etsy shop. So as far as items go, it looks like you have 153 items available for sale. You've got sections, so 420 friendly, which we know can sell pretty well. The custom shoes too, by the way. I mean, that's pretty interesting. Like if you watch this, Bree, let me know if you're making sales on these shoes, because like I love the idea. I just don't know how hard it is to sell shoes to people in general. But also really nice design. I mean, look how nice these shoes look. Like, you got to respect that. And also look at how she did the border of the image there of the shoes, and you've got your shop logo. I mean, this is really, honestly, like a beautiful shop. Really well done. You know, pricing wise, I think people will pay $75 for a pair of shoes, so I wouldn't even think twice about that. And it looks like these are $70. One thing you could maybe do is like run a sale, you know what I mean? Run like a 10% off sale. Even if, you know, you have to adjust your pricing, like why not just kind of do that? It's something that stands off. Like you've got this one, you're running a sale here on this mug. And it's just another way of standing out in search results. And when everybody else is running a sale and you're not, it may actually, if everybody else is running a sale and you're not, then you're standing out, I guess. So that would be the better way of doing it. So anyways, let's check out other sections. I like your designs though. I mean, the shoe designs, that's where I always struggle when I look into like new products to offer. I'm always like, man, how do I design the shoes? You know what I mean? Spirituality. This is pretty cool. Like your designs, again, great contrast, by the way, in your color selections. Like this design is beautiful. Look at that. Even though it's, you know, so simple, but like anybody watching this video, if you're like, man, that does look good, you know? And I mean, you could literally forget the niche, right? You can make your own text only design in a completely different niche, right? Just words, stack the words and use this color scheme, and it's going to look probably almost just as good, right? So when I see color schemes like this, sometimes I just take a little screenshot here, pull it into Photoshop, and then do the little color dropper, the eyedrop, and save the hex color codes in a list, and I just give it a title so I can find it later. Just as a quick tip. You got videos too. So shout out to, you know, Bree again, doing everything possible to make these listings as high quality as possible. Showing off multiple colors. Like, this is really awesome. So you only offer in black and white. Okay. You're doing the loss leader, by the way. So it says, so check that out. It says extra small, $16.99. So when you click the listing itself, you see right behind me here. By the way, 10 people have it in the cart too, so well done. $16.99 is the price you see. Of course, when you get to the listing itself of the shirt, you see that, you know, you're probably paying $25.99 to $26.99. Which again, you can say is misleading, and yeah, it is. But like, Etsy again is setting the playing field here, not you and I, right? We just play by the rules. Etsy dictates the rules. So do everything you can to, at a minimum, keep up with your competition, because I guarantee you, as you climb the rungs of the ladder, you're mixing in with the big boys, and the big boys all do it, guys. They all do it. Personalized shoes, that's really cool concept as well. Again, great designs, great color schemes. Loving it, man. I'm like jealous of your Etsy shop, honestly. Humorous, ambitious, the desire to become a better bitch. That's pretty hilarious. By the way, again, the mock-ups. Look at the mock-ups, guys. I mean, each one of these, there's different styles of mock-ups, right? You've got some more zoomed in, some zoomed out, some at different angles, different mock-ups. Yet you're adhering to what I would consider to be the best practices. If I had to say one that's like, two of them that could be improved, like maybe this one, you know, and then maybe this one right here behind me as well, are the only two that I'd say maybe could be improved upon just a little bit. But that's not even a knock. Like, it's just saying, you know, me being nitpicky. Actually, no, this one too here, I'm not a huge fan of it because it's so slanted that it makes it hard to read the text. And I think a more straight, like, if we just compare these two to each other, like this one is straight on, right? Whereas this one is sideways. And also the 3D effect being that zoomed out, like I might make the thumbnail like this right here. Although it's still kind of sideways, so I don't know. I'd probably change that. Like, I'm just trying to be nitpicky here to try to provide some feedback on minor improvements. I always just like to keep things simple. Like, you know, this shirt right here, it's straightforward. It shows the design off well. I like to keep things simple as far as those go personally. Mental health. You've got journals and notebooks, by the way. And where are you getting these? I haven't really tried to sell any journals and notebooks, honestly, just because I'm like worried about competing with KDP. But by the way, 3 people have this in their cart, so well done. You're definitely doing something right. But yeah, I love these mock-ups though. You know what I mean? So I'm not familiar with where to do journals, mock-ups. If I had to guess, I'd say you're probably using Placeit just because I saw you using the videos too, and that's typically an indicator of Placeit. But yeah, I mean, these journals look really, really nice. Like I'm just saying, if we had 100 people all sell the same journal, like let's go to this one right here that I liked. If we had 100 people selling this exact journal, you might be the #1 top performer selling this exact journal, because I think you stumbled your way into, and I'm not trying to make it sound like it was coincidence. I'm just saying, like, you have a great mock-up. You framed your product in a beautiful way. And I mean, I don't know if this was intentional, but look at how you matched the like colors of the things in the background to the design on the cover of this. I mean, it's beautiful. Like, everybody take note right now. This is amazing that you did that. And I mean, if it's coincidence, then man, that was a lucky coincidence, but I doubt it was coincidence. This looks just beautiful. So really well done. I mean, and look, you know, top review right here. Wait, the last 2 reviews actually are both people buying this exact journal. So, I mean, man, that's great. You know what? Let's just cut oh, you have digital downloads. Actually, let's check this out as well. You're selling like Apple Watch and phone wallpapers for $1.99. So, I mean, here's an easy, like, low-hanging fruit. If you wanted to run a sale, you know what I mean? You could definitely run your sale like on digital downloads, even if you just double the price and then run 50% off, something like that. You know, low-hanging fruit to help increase the click-through rate of your digital downloads. But honestly, like, I'm really, really proud of you with this Etsy shop. I think you're doing a great job. And like, however many sales it said you had, 101, like, I think you'll be at a year from now, be well over 1,000 sales if you just keep it up. So well done. Thank you guys for watching this Etsy shop review. Before I leave, I wanted to remind you I have a full print on demand course that has an entire module. Basically, it is my Etsy print on demand course, but it's rolled up into my master course. So this is really like a great investment because it covers every major e-commerce platform. It covers, on top of how to do all those platforms, advertise, get set up, all that good stuff, covers design, research, automation, and all my future content you get access to just by enrolling. So you can find a link to that in the description if you want to learn more. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Please hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already, and then go enjoy the rest of your day. I'll see you tomorrow with a new top 5 niches of the week video.